Good evening, strangers. I'm back. I took a break for Crimbo, and as you can see, the randomizer is back, baby! In all of its slow, bad running, terrible audio quality glory. I was trying to use the face buttons to move. I'm used to GBA, okay? Oh, I am actually just in Flexi Ranch, okay. I don't know why. So, I don't have a game plan for this episode. I just wanted to record something. And I thought, may as well record this. Oh, I know, I was checking randomized. What randomizing something? Looking at my levels, I don't think I actually... Yeah, I'm not ready to fight. This might be the grinding episode. Where I just grind for a while, and then that's the video. I've always known there's a non-zero chance I'd do that. I've been playing a lot of Cobblemon recently. It's Minecraft Pokemon, but not Pixelmon. It actually looks like Minecraft, and you can murder the Pokemon for food. Actually, I think the outside has a different encounter pool because of how randomizers work. So yeah. It most certainly does, but as far as I know, there is no fairy type in this, so yeah. I know a thing or two about Puff, and it's that Puff is terrible. The joke is that I use Puff. How many Pokeballs do I have? I'm catching this thing just to steal its leftovers. Not many. This should work. Yeah, because Jigglypuff is all HP. It's HP and nothing else. So I can derage it, it'll probably live, and then I can steal those leftovers to throw them on, like, top or something. Surely this thing has more than 40 HP. As a matter of fact, I might just stall. And let the leftovers heal it up so it's more likely to live. God damn it. Yeah. I mentioned in my last video that I fixed the ROM. So, yeah, we're playing this now. Eventually, you'll also get more of the other two. More Uncle and Emerald, more... I don't have Awakenings. More Inclement and Emerald, more... more Bokem. more, Puppet Play. That's the ROM. You'll get to see the Warner Brothers again. So, yeah. I'm more active on Tumblr than I am on YouTube, honestly. It's kind of funny. I should wake up. I love Gen 5 sleep. For reference, I can't switch because Gen 5 sleep resets its timer if you switch. That's why it's banned in competitive. As my first video shows, oh my god. I play excessive quantities of Gen 5 competitive, even though I haven't opened Showdown in months, but shut up. No one asked you. Synth, for the love of God. Thank you. There you go. That's what I needed to see. Yeah. I'm out of practice on the whole YouTube thing. I might record some a Toho 18 run or something eventually. Or like a relatively successful one, I should clarify, because I'm terrible at Toho. Fingers violently tightly crossed this catches. I'm not even using it. It's not an ice type. It's not a ground type. But it does have leftovers, and I do want those. There you go. You don't get name privileges. I'm just me. So, yeah. This feels so wrong. I'm so used to fairy type existing, even though I play copious quantities of Gen 5. Let's move it to Toph. I have actually been, if you follow my Tumblr, which you don't, because I don't link it, I don't think. Then you'd know that I'm working on a Fakemon region based on Toho. I've released some of the Fakemon there. Not all of them. I've drawn more than I've posted. Well, more than I've posted. Okay. In the time since I last recorded, my scroll wheel stopped working, which makes certain games incredibly annoying. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, this is the grinding episode. This episode will be titled Meat Grinder. Because I do be grinding. That's the game plan. Roxy's... oh, fuck. Sorry. You know what? I have a weird plan. I'm not going to partake in that plan, actually. I was about to say, oh, I have an idea. I'm going to check what type the gym is, out of curiosity. Because the types are randomized. It's just that they all use one type. As you saw with Buff Charon using... Well, I was about to say fighting types. He used Riolu and nothing else. I think. It was Riolu or Metatite. I think it was 2 Metatites, actually. Okay, Toph, let's see how you roll. I forgot you don't have stab moves, because that's a honor that... Hustle. I have 2 Hustlemons. I have 2 fucking Hustlemons. At least one of them is technically legal. I didn't realize that Nidoran Male's hidden ability was Hustle. Are you fucking kidding me? It's 55% accurate. The nice thing is I think Jigglypuff has a decent EXP yield, and it gives HP EVs, so it's basically like a discount. Odd no. Do I try this again? Do I do the funny? I'll give you one Pokeball. You get... That's not Pokeballs. You get one Pokeball. Fingers tightly crossed. They have leftovers every time. It's hilarious. Come on. Come on. I know you wanna. Damn, I guess you chose death. Oh. Actually, I do want a second set of leftovers. If I want... the nice thing is, I can get full team leftovers right here. That's hilarious. If I had Thief or Covet, God, that would be funny. I think I do have randomized TM compatibility, so it's not out of the question. I regret not randomizing move lists, but it's fine. I randomized TMs, so it's okay. Not reward TMs. I just randomized TM compatibility. Tutors are randomized, and I think I have full tutor compatibility, which is kind of funny. I've also learned, this is related to the Kogasa run I'm doing in the background. I have since learned the miracle mechanic of... Please don't kill. Dumpling, please. Okay. That's fine. I'll Powdered Snow next turn. Ow. Dumpling, why must you fail me so often? Two sets of leftovers to work with is ridiculous. So, naturally, I want that. I can just buy more Pokeballs, it's fine. Oh. Yeah, that's the funny thing. These things are like Munchlax, where, these things seem to be like Munchlax in, at least Inclement Emerald, and I think some other game that I've played, where they always start with leftovers, and it's so convenient. The only problem is that they're kind of rare. The difference is that Munchlax is rare, and this is not. So it's just infinite leftovers as long as I have Pokeballs and or Thief, which I don't have Thief or Covet. So, Pokeballs it is. This is really hindering my ability to grind, but I don't really care. I just hit E. I don't even know how to remap my controls on this, so it's fine. Let's move this to Dumpling. And go buy Pokeballs in case I find more leftovers. I'll leave Jigglypuff on the team for now. It's not actually a team member, it's just here. No, I'll box it, I'll box it, I'll box it. Levitate! Oh, you're annoying! If I ever break the monotype, Levitate Jigglypuff is a funny option. Actually, you know, Jigglypuff is the balloon Pokemon and is very often depicted as floating around. Why doesn't Jigglypuff just have Levitate as an ability option? Ooh. I play with Pokemon rebalancing concepts consistently. One of my favorites that I've ever come up with is Water Ground Seeking on Pokedex Justification. I like the idea. It's fun. It's neat. Makes Seeking actually decent. Dude, levitate Wigglytuff. Ooh. Ooh. That's more interesting than my plagiarized fur coat Wigglytuff from Inclement Emerald. Yeah. There are some games that I kind of wish I didn't start playing so I could play them for YouTube. The main one is, kiss my ass. The main one is, a Bite at Freddy's, actually. I have a Bite at Freddy's installed. And I started playing it on my own because it's a bangin' fan game. So, yeah. Oh my god! Mareep! The nice thing is, this doesn't have static, so I can just step on it aggressively. Or horn attack it. Okay, that's funny. Drizzle Mareep. That would actually be... This is unironically good. This is, like, genuinely really good because... Because now you just have 100% accurate thunder. I am a ground type. This is, by the way, modeled off of a... This is fun fact. This is a randomizer of a ROM hack that removes trait evolution. So I can hypothetically get a Rhyperior. I'm saying hypothetically because I prefer Rhydon to Rhyperior, so I'm probably just going to run Eviolite. Or just leftovers anyway. Rhydon isn't bad. Rhydon on its own is far from bad. It's far from bad. I could still justify just running leftovers. Yo, it's... Wait, is it? No, it's female. Never mind. I'm doing another character run in the background. If you've, again, seen my Tumblr, I asked, oh, hey, what... You probably have a grass move. Probably. Pazrin. I've started a run of Aya in Inclement Emerald, and I asked which speedy ninja bug she should have, and Excelgor won, which is good. I was Team Excelgor. I was one of the votes for Excelgor. Excelgor's my guy. I've used both in the same monotype run of Inclement Emerald. Excelgor is really good. I really like Excelgor. I forgot I don't have a poison move. Ow. How much does this do? It's super effective. I have Hustle. Yeah. I think I slightly outdamage you. Actually, Double Kick is also super effective. I sometimes forget Nuzleaf is a Dark type already. Anyway, on her team is a Nuzleaf. Obviously, she's a Tengu. Of course she's going to use the Shift Tree line. Please, Pazrin. Thank you. There we go. And, Nuzleaf. And my go-to Nuzleaf name if it's a male is Grug. Don't ask why. It's just Grug. So I was about to call that Grug. Pazrin, please. I don't know. Poison Sting! That's Stab. I never use Leer. Poison Sting is bad, but it can poison, and it's Stab. So it's fine. Dude, imagine if Roxy is, like, normal type. Dude, if Roxy's normal type, that would be awesome, because normal is, like, sound-based moves. This is going to be such an interesting episode, because it's just going to be me level grinding for a while. I should have done this off camera. Hell, if I'm not to a suitable level to fight Roxy, which is like 17-ish, then I'm just going to finish grinding off camera. I just was antsy to record today, okay? I just wanted to record. Technically, I wanted to record like 2 days ago, but I didn't. Because I'm stupid. So Misty's Izakaya had its 4th DLC get an English translation, which is nice. I really like that game. I play it a lot. Let's see if you have lefties. I didn't buy Pokeballs. Whoops. If you do, I will be minorly peeved, because I only have 1 Pokeball left. Oh, thank God it doesn't. These things are annoying. Die. Is Horn Attack really not 100% accurate? How did I miss? Oh, wait, right, I have Hustle. I already forgot my ability is Hustle. No, don't full screen. Yeah, you can't see my checking. I want to look into a couple things. So I'm going to open Google, which I already have done. First, oh my god, my defense. God, Toph is a monster. Gen 5? Black and white 2. I don't learn a stab move until level 23! I love this. Context, I'm looking at level up movesets because those aren't randomized. Gen 5. Black and white 2. Okay, I have to hold off on evolution till level 37 to learn Poison Jab. Or alternatively, I could just evolve into Nidorino. Sorry, this doesn't like me having, where I don't learn Poison Jab until level 43, but my stats are less bad. I think out of all of those, I'm gonna just wait on 43 till Poison Jab to evolve into Nidoking. Plus, I can guarantee I'm gonna get a Moonstone by then. That's another problem that I just thought of. I didn't. I'm gonna stay in here. Nothing realistically is that big of a threat to Toph. Mareep's not even shown the ability to hit me. Oh, it does have Grizzle. After this, I'm gonna play some Calvamon, not on recording, obviously. Why would I do that? Drizzle! Yay! Rain! Yeah. I can't wait to see who can learn Venoshock. Okay, let's do the test. Am I catching? Yeah, oh yeah, I need to have Pokeballs. I keep forgetting. And this isn't one recording. I've forgotten twice, I think. Anyway. Sorry. I had to. I'm suffering from severe brain hurty in response to the amount of goddamn sings these Jigglypuff are getting off. These goddamn balloons. Fucking. Yeah. Ow. What's. Oh, yeah, static. I can paralyze you if you touch me. Keep touching me. Hit me. Do it. Slap me in the face. I swear to God, thank you. Do you have leftovers? You don't. Therefore, you are worthless to me. Die. Synth is going to be a nuisance just because, you know, slow leveling group. You know what, actually? I'm gonna heal him by Pokeballs. In case I have to do all the Jigglypuff grinding. This is gonna be a longer episode, because it's almost already 30 minutes, and that's usually how long I record for-ish. I'm gonna run long to do the, fighters. To do the worker side quests, so I can say that, I did something productive this episode. Other than just... Ah, shit. I hit the Windows button. Sorry. I am peak professionalism. Okay. Or 8. Sure. This is the reason I don't play a lot of DS emulated stuff and mostly stick to GBA. My GBA emulator runs way better. So yeah. I might consider getting a mic, but the problem is that I don't have USB slots open. I guess I could use my trackpad for this. Because for reference, I do everything on a laptop. I'm fine with this outcome. Ritual sacrifice. I'm used to skipping, like, every trainer in here. Oh, that's annoying. It's a coin flip. Actually, no, it's not. Your ability is randomized. Oh, wait. I only have normal moves. Sorry, I'm used to assuming that my ground types have any form of stab. Dragon Rage. It's really funny how my solution to everything is just click Dragon Rage. I can't wait until I lose that option. Confusion. Ow. Surely you don't have more than 40 health, right? Okay, good. You never know. Woo, you're way too strong. You know, in hindsight, Toph is surprisingly terrible. I really wish I randomized TMs. But I didn't. I'm going to beat you to death with a rhinoceros. Yeah. God damn it! With these goddamn Litwick. In all honesty, that really a ghost type. God damn it. Cloud9! Okay. Hey, look, another Pokemon I can't do shit against. Dumpling. Throw mud in its eye. I'm fidgeting with like a scraper thing. Oh, shit. It has Nightshade. Ow. How much do I heal with lefties? 2 HP. Oh, yay. What's left? Actually, the accuracy lowering could be very handy. If it's just clicking Nightshade repeatedly. Oh, Fire Spin. I didn't think you had that at level 13. Oof. Pazrin. The root of all of life's problems can be solved with Pazrin. It's like... Donk. Oh, that's all it does? I mean, I guess Peck is a pretty bad move. Ghost is not a type that's fun to deal with early game. Why are you using Smog on a poison type? Yeah, I'll clear out these guys and then I'll call it an episode, because we're over 30 minutes. So, yeah. Tough. What are the stats? Fury attack. I'm good. I'll stick to 100% accurate moves because of my ability. Hustle. Because I'm stuck with Hustle. Mold Breaker. Okay. That doesn't save you against my kicks. Donk donk. I wish I wasn't doing a challenge run, like a monotype run. I'd love to just do a normal run of this seed. Hell, I might do that, actually. Oh, how it missed. Because I can have multiple save files, technically. With save state shenanigans. Or I could just duplicate the ROM. But I'll probably duplicate saves, so I don't know. I'm not saying it. I don't trust this thing. I'll let Toph just, like, step on it. I don't know, Toph hits hard. And that's before Hustle. I just wish Toph had a goddamn rock move. Ow. Oh, I do resist fire. I didn't think I did. This is probably not getting uploaded the day I'm recording. Happy New Year if I do, actually, because I'm recording this on the 30th. I might upload this like on around New Year. Because I don't feel like recording right now. Or uploading right now. I just felt like recording. Also, if anyone's ever wondered, any of my, 4 viewers, maybe, all of which I know, wonder, why don't you edit? I don't have an editing software, nor do I care to learn one. Everything you're seeing is straight in OBS. You got Clownberg in the corner staring into your soul. You've got the emulator, shittily being recorded. I'm using window capture instead of game capture, because I can't get game capture to cooperate. I could probably finagle off the settings to make it work, but I don't really care. I'm sure this won't go poorly. Okay, battle 2. And then one more battle, and then that'll be all for this episode. And then I'll grind off camera before I record the next one, probably. If I remember to. Trapinch! I remember seeing those in the wild. I found Gibble in the same area. You don't start with a ground move, right? The nice thing is, Toph is going first, because Trapinch is one of the slowest Pokemon there is. Let's try Steppy. Step on it. I know Trapinch is kind of min-max to hell. Yeah. Feint attack. Okay, that's fine. I have high defense. The Trapinch has stupid high attack. As in, like, base 100 for no reason. It's funny. That's probably the annoying thing with Flygon. Its base form is, like, overly min-maxed, almost. Stomp. One of these days I might pick up a non-ground type. Ice is technically legal per the rules, but, you know? You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Geodude? I never thought I'd see one of you. Hi. I like Geodude. I prefer Roggenrola, but Geodude's cool too. You don't have a ground move at level 13. You at most have a rock move, so I can just double kick you, because double kick ignores sturdy. And if I was wrong, I'm getting nailed by a ground move I didn't think you had. Defense Carl. Okay, yeah. That is annoying, though. I wouldn't mind a golem. Golem's pretty cool. Though it would overlap with Rhydon. Though, like, genuinely, if I had to pick between Rhyhorn and Rhydon, there is a very between Rhydon and Golem. It's more of a discussion than you'd think. Bam, bam. Oh, this is gonna take forever. POV, you're fighting Brock. Oh my god. I need to make, like, some weird single stage mon for the gym leader to use. Like, I've kind of made one in my Tenchi Pokemon, but, you know, like something Onyxy. Because I feel, I do agree with Gen 1's thing of, oh yeah, the first gym leader's ace should just be this, like, big, imposing thing that is good for, that's very strong for that point in the game to make it look threatening, but it's really not that strong. Also, it has a rock move. Hopefully it dies this turn. Donk, donk. Donkey donkey. There we go. Pazrin. There's another chance I might box Dumpling, because honestly, I feel like the team is just genuinely better if it's just Synth, Pazrin, and Toph. Because Pazrin is powerful, Synth is a Dragon Rage spammer, and Toph has potential. Her moveset is just bad. But hopefully, I get Rock Smash. Hopefully Toph learns Rock Smash, and also Roxy's gym doesn't have a type that resists fighting. Or ice, or ground, or poison, or flying. Honestly, I have a weird amount of coverage, and none of it's good. And I guarantee I'm still gonna be just better off clicking Dragon Rage repeatedly to win. You know, in reference to this ROM, when it comes to, like, visualizing gym leaders, I might have the fighting type gym leader be early and just use 2 Metatytes, and then one of the actual fighting types of the decks. For my Toho region. That would be funny. Because Metatite is one of the official Pokemon that's 200% in the decks. I don't remember where the last guy is. I think it's just, like, down here. I don't do this often. I have a nasty, nasty habit of just skipping trainers for no reason. I don't think I've fought any optional trainers in Indigo Disc. I've also not finished Indigo Disc, because I just don't like doing double battles. Wait, isn't this normally Thief? Please. Please. Please let someone learn this. Fingers crossed. Come on. Come on, RNG gods. Synth! My man! A man after my own heart. I'd rather just use Return. It's gonna net higher damage anyway. So now I have even less effort. Now, those Great Balls were a waste of money, because I can just rob any Jigglypuff I see. With Synth, win the battle, and then just leave. It's funny. It's swell. Swadloon? That probably has Razor Leaf. Intimidate. Okay, Swadloon has Intim. That's funny. Pazrin can tank a Razor Leaf, and this thing probably dies to a Hustle boosted Peck. So we good. I don't want to fall back on Dragon Rage too often, but you know sometimes you just kind of have to. Dude, imagine if Roxy's Dragon type. If Roxy's Dragon type, then I'm just shit out of luck and have to rely on Dragon Rage and hope nothing on her team actually has. Okay, Peck auto kill. Realistically. Ow. Dunk. Damn it. I do actually really enjoy having Hustle. It makes everything more of a gamble, but it also gives... God damn it. I was an idiot. I should have used Peck. It gives Pazrin more power and utility. Something that... God, he needs... My boy Pazrin really needs all the power he can get. Nidoran male ain't great. I might just get the team to level 16, actually. Tofker level 13. 10 more levels and I learn a stab move. Lombre! Oh my god. Look at that guy. Oh wait, right. I forgot. I've trainers randomized to be monotype as well. I forgot that was a thing. I just remembered it. Yeah, so this guy is grass. The other guy was fire. And then the second guy was something. I forgot what his team was already. Yeah. So a couple grass types. Roxy's gym using anything other than poison will be weird. Like, Charon's fighting type gym was really funny. Charon, the Metatite guy. Every trainer... I would like to point out, every trainer in the first gym had a Metatite, including Charon. He had 2 of them. That was hilarious to me. Like, there are so many fighting types you could have picked, and it was just Metatite twice. Ow. Ow. That doesn't even do too much damage. Why am I using Poison Sting? I should be using Peck. Oh, I am using Peck. I thought I clicked Poison Sting. Sorry, I am doing this incredibly mindlessly, if you couldn't tell. I am just clicking Peck. Nature Power, you don't have an item. Nature Power doesn't work the way I thought it would. It did. Ow. Come on, Pazrin. Live the hit. Oh. Oh. Thank you, Pazrin. Reliable as always. Oh, fuck it. We're ending this video by evolving Pazrin. We're ending this episode on our first evolution. I would say go figure it's Pazrin, but also everything else I have evolves late, so... Like, I think my next earliest evolution is unironically Gibble at level, like, 30. Which is just a sad state of affairs. Switch Pazrin to the lead. I will say Pazrin's next in line to get lefties. Rock Smash! Can anyone learn that? And do I want anyone to learn that? It's not actually all that good. Pazrin and Synth. You know what? I'm gonna teach it to Synth just in favor of Synth being a Swiss Army knife. Synth is my jack of all trades. He does everything. Now we need to do some Jigglypuff murder. Nuzleaf works too. Nuzleaf probably works better, actually. I can only hit you for super effective. Ooh. Pazrin the insatiable. One more victim. I thought that was a random battle. It was not. One more Nuzleaf. Time to kill Grug. Slog through a 50... probably closer to 54-minute episode, and you get to see Pazrin evolve at the end. What? Pazrin's evolving? Everything's so slow. Because this emulator hates me. Yo! Pazrin! Big man! I now have to check TM compatibility. Because, you know. Okay, Pazrin can still learn Rock Smash. Pazrin can still not learn Thief. I don't know how the TM randomization works. I'm just checking everything. Pazrin can still not learn Return, but Toph can, so I'm going to throw that on Toph. Over. Tail Whip. As well. Pazrin can probably still not learn workup. Correct. And then I'm not even gonna bother with frustration. Okay, so we got a Pazrin as a Nidorino. I'd say that is good enough for this episode. Also, because this episode has gone on for almost an hour. So yeah, sorry for the break. But you know what Christmas is like. You know the drill. I'm just a weird clown guy. So anyway, strangers, thank you for watching, assuming you did. And, yeah, see y'all next time. Goodbye.